How to get $100 Lyft promo code. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Here we go. At the top you will see the search box. Over there type in Lyft promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of this website, you can easily get working promo code for Lyft. For instance, I'm going to use this one, Groupon. After you open it, you're going to find amazing deals and offer. You can see that. Just scroll and check. If you're interested in any of the deal and want to use it, just click on it. So here's the code, you can copy it, then click on Shop Now. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Lyft. Now you can log into your account, book a ride for yourself, and while you proceed to checkout, in the checkout page you will find the section of promo code. Over there you will need to paste the code, and with that you will get the discount. Likewise, you can also try out other offers, as in this website you're going to find tons of offers. Also make sure to check out this website, as this website will also provide you working promo code for Lyft. Well, this way you can easily get up to $100 Lyft promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.